The discovery of electricity is a major milestone in the history of science and technology. Although it is difficult to pinpoint the exact moment or individual responsible for discovering electricity, it is the result of the work of many scientists and inventors over centuries. The story of the discovery of electricity begins with the ancient Greeks, who first observed static electricity by rubbing amber against animal fur. The Greek philosopher Thales of Miletus also discovered that amber had the power to attract small objects like feathers. These early discoveries laid the foundation for the study of electricity. In the late 16th century, the English scientist William Gilbert made significant contributions to the study of electricity. He coined the term electricity and demonstrated that it could be produced by rubbing other substances besides amber. Gilbert's work was instrumental in establishing electricity as a legitimate field of scientific inquiry. In the 18th century, several scientists made important discoveries related to electricity. Benjamin Franklin conducted famous experiments in which he used a kite to draw electricity from lightning. Franklin's experiments proved that lightning was a form of electrical discharge, and he also invented the lightning rod, which protects buildings from lightning strikes. Another notable figure in the history of electricity is Alessandro Volta, who invented the first battery in 1800. This allowed for a continuous flow of electricity, which was essential for many of the subsequent discoveries in the field. In the early 19th century, Michael Faraday made several important discoveries related to electricity. Faraday's work on electromagnetic induction was particularly significant, as it laid the foundation for the operation of generators and transformers. Faraday also invented the electric motor, which was an important step toward the widespread use of electricity. One of the most significant developments in the history of electricity was the invention of the light bulb. Although Thomas Edison is often credited with this invention, the story is more complicated than that. Many scientists and inventors had been working on the problem of electric lighting for decades. Edison's development of the first practical incandescent light bulb was the culmination of this work. Today, electricity is an essential component of modern life. It powers homes, businesses, and industries, and enables the transmission of information across the globe. The discovery of electricity and its applications have changed the world in countless ways, and continue to shape our future. From the discovery of static electricity by the ancient Greeks to the invention of the light bulb by Thomas Edison, the history of electricity is a story of human ingenuity and innovation. It is a story that is still being written today as we continue to find new ways to harness the power of electricity for the betterment of society. While the discovery of electricity was a significant achievement, it was not until the 19th century that electricity became a practical source of power. In 1831, Michael Faraday discovered that a changing magnetic field could induce an electric current in a nearby wire. This discovery, known as electromagnetic induction, was a key step in the development of generators and transformers. Around the same time, another important development was taking place. In 1831, Joseph Henry discovered the phenomenon of self-induction, which occurs when a current is switched on or off in a coil of